Hello, my name is Dan Beebe. I'm going to walk you through how to do a migration from an old CourseWorks site to a new CourseWorks site. I might refer to new CourseWorks as Sakai from time to time because that's the technology that underpins new CourseWorks. And as you can see, I've got an old CourseWorks site here. This is an anthropology site from fall 2008. And I also have the new CourseWorks site here. This is the same anthropology course from the fall of 2011. And I'm going to move the content of this course site for Professor Daltroy, who's teaching this class in the fall. So the first thing that I want to do is take some content from the old CourseWorks site. So I'm going to highlight the text on the intro page, and I'm going to right-click on this and copy it. Then I'm going to come over to the new CourseWorks site and click on the Options tab here on the home page, and I'm simply going to paste the content that I copied from old CourseWorks into new CourseWorks, update the options, and the content of the old CourseWorks site appears here on the home page of the new CourseWorks site. I'm going to do the same thing with the syllabus from Professor Daltroy's fall 2008 course. And in order to do that, I need to turn on the syllabus inside new CourseWorks. So I'll go to Site Settings, Edit Tools, and turn on the syllabus. And once I verify that, the syllabus will appear in the left navigation over here. And while that's loading, I'll go back over to the fall 2008 course, and I'll click on the Detail view so that I can view the entirety of Professor Daltroy's syllabus from fall 2008. I'm going to highlight the whole thing and then right-click on that to copy it as well. Now over in new CourseWorks, I'll go over to the syllabus section. I'll create a new syllabus session, and I'll simply title this syllabus since I'm going to paste the whole thing into one space here. And I'll simply paste that content into this space here. Now we see that there are these links to files, and those aren't going to work, but we're going to come back in later and fix those once we've uploaded the files from the course site. So I'm going to post that syllabus session, and while that's saving, I'll go back over to the current CourseWorks site and click on the class file section, and I'll use the expand all button here to open up the class files for this old CourseWorks site. Now I've got all these files linked out here, and I can click on any of them, and Firefox is going to simply download each of these files. It might bring up a dialog box where it asks you, what do you want to do with this file? Do you want to open it or save it? And simply say, indicate that you want to save the file. And once I do that for the first time, I'm able now to just sort of run down this list of files. And as I do that, all of those files are being saved into my download folder. So I'm just going to continue to run down these files. Alright, so now that all those files have downloaded, I need to move those over into my new CourseWorks site. And in order to do that, I'm going to go to the Files and Resources section. And I'm going to click on this Upload, Download Multiple Resources, and I will take this web address here. Now there are extensive instructions here about how to do all of this at the bottom of the page here if you're using Windows XP or Windows 7. If you're using Mac OS X, we recommend that you use a program called CyberDuck, which I've already loaded, and I'm going to make a new connection and simply paste that web address that I just copied a moment ago in here and put in my uni and password. And this will create a connection directly to Professor Daltroy's new CourseWorks site. Now if I bring up my downloads folder, I should see all of those files that I just downloaded a moment ago, and I'm going to highlight all of those and drag and drop them directly into the new CourseWorks site. And as you can see, it'll take a moment to bring all of those files up into new CourseWorks, but it's churning along pretty quickly. Now that all those files have gone up into new CourseWorks, I'll go back over to the Files and Resources section and reset that. And when I do, we'll see that we have this long list of files that we just uploaded a moment ago. Now what I would do is go back over to the syllabus and edit this syllabus session to begin to repair the links to these files. So if I click on State Society Syllabus and then click on the link button up here at the top, I can browse the server and find all of those files that we just uploaded a moment ago, and I can find the syllabus for the course, link it, and fix the link to that. And now when I save or hit post, that will repost the syllabus with the repaired link to the syllabus document. So that's the basics of how to migrate a course from old CourseWorks to new CourseWorks. I suggest you visit our educational technologists in 204 Butler Library. We're open weekdays 9 to 5 and can assist you in this process. Once you've moved over to new CourseWorks, it's quite easy to migrate courses from semester to semester, and I wish you luck with the system.